Hello. Are we on? Okay, check this out. I'm inside, mind you, and I can hear all these birds. This has never happened before. They must have just arrived or something. I don't know if they're starlings, cowbirds. Kind of in the sun. Maybe the wind blew them in. Man, they're noisy. Revenge of the birds. Yeah, I think they're starlings. Yeah, I'm inside with the TV on. And I can hear these birds above that. I'm like, what is the ruckus? Must be mating season or something. There's more over here. In this tree. I don't know how they... Hang on there, birdies. I don't know how they fly in this weather. It's like gusting like 40 to 50 miles an hour. They're like, hang on. They're pretty good sized birds. When the wind blows really hard, they quiet right down. I think they're talking amongst themselves. Thought it was a birdie. Watch, they'll all be quiet now. Wow. You know the ones over here. I can hear them, I just can't see. It's hard to see with the wind. How do they stay up in the tree? These winds that bad. They must have to hang right on. Woo! Baby! Hang on there, Bertha. Then they get all loud again when it dies down. That's funny.